Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss about the positive, negative, and zero sequence networks of a transformer. Okay, in the previous class, we already discussed about the positive, negative, zero sequence of a synchronous machine or the synchronous motor. Okay, first, what is the positive sequence and negative sequence for that equivalent network of a transformer? Okay, what is the equivalent reactance for that transformer? First of all, what is the simple symbol for the transformer? Okay, this is the symbol for the transformer. Okay, this is the primary winding and this is the secondary winding. Okay, in between primary and secondary winding, we are having the rectangular core. Okay, this is the symbol for the transformer. Okay, next, what is the equivalent reactance diagram for that transformer? That is only the reactance, Okay, similarly, okay, what is the positive and negative sequence reactances? That is, okay, this is the reactance and this is the reference bus. Okay, this is the positive sequence and this is the negative sequence, X1 and the X2. And this is the reference bus. Okay, therefore, the positive sequence series impedance of the transformer equal its leakage impedance. Therefore, positive sequence series impedance of the transformer is equal to the leakage impedance. Okay, therefore, the transformer is a static device. The leakage impedance does not changes with the alternation of the phase sequence of balanced applied voltage. Therefore, the negative sequence impedance is also equal to the leakage reactance. Okay, this is the positive sequence that will be equal to the leakage reactance, and this is the negative sequence that will be equal to the leakage reactance. Okay, this will be considered as the X1 and X2. Okay, X1 is the positive sequence reactance and X2 is the negative sequence reactance. Okay, next we are considering that is a Z1T. Okay, therefore, positive sequence for transformer equal to the negative sequence for transformer that will be equal to the Z leakage, that is leakage impedance. Okay, that will be equal to the leakage impedance. Therefore, Z1T is equal to Z2T is equal to Z leakage. Okay, therefore, zero sequence network are the switching diagram. Okay, therefore, the zero sequence are the switching diagram. For considering that zero sequence, okay, we are considering different cases. First of all, we are considering that is case 1. Okay, understand me? First of all, we are considering that is case 1. Okay, what is the case 1? We are connecting that is star transformer bank with neutral grounding. That is case 1 is star transformer bank with neutral grounding. Okay, this is the star connection of that primary winding and this is the star connection for that secondary winding. Okay, one winding is connected to the neutral grounding. Therefore, that secondary winding is connected to the neutral grounding. Okay, this is the case 1 consideration when the transformer winding is connected in star connection with one neutral grounding. Therefore, what is the zero sequence reactance diagram? Okay, that will be equal to the, okay, therefore the zero sequence reactance that will be equal to the, this is the reference bus. This is the reference bus. Okay, this is the Z0. That is the reactance. That is Z0. Okay, and this is grounded. Okay, that's why we are open circuited. And this is the A and this is the B. Okay, this is the open circuited with one neutral grounded. Okay, this is the star transformer bank with any one neutral grounded. Okay, this is the equivalent reactance. See, zero sequence synchronous reactance diagram for the transformer with star connection with one neutral grounding. Okay, next coming to the second consideration. We are coming to the second consideration, that is star-star transformer bank, both neutral grounds. Okay, this is the star connection of the primary winding and this is the star connection of that secondary winding. But in this case, both will be neutrally connected. Both will be neutrally connected. When both the neutrals of star-star transformers are grounded, when both the neutrals of star-star transformer are grounded. Okay, a path through the transformer exists for zero sequence currents in the both the windings. Therefore, the two grounded neutrals, hence in the zero sequence network A and B are connected by the zero sequence impedances. The network A and network B are connected by the zero sequence impedances. If both the windings are connected in star and are neutral grounded, then the equivalent zero sequence impedance reactance diagram is like this. Okay, this is the A, this is the B, and this is the Z0. Next, consider the case 3. Consider the case 3. Okay, what is the case 3? Therefore, star delta transformer ground with star neutral. With star neutral. Okay, we are connecting star delta. Okay, we are observing that this is the star connection and this is the delta connection. The primary winding is connected to the star and secondary is connected to the delta. But star means this is the grounded. Okay, therefore, in the for that reason, we are connecting like this. Okay, this is the zero sequence reactance diagram like this. Okay, star delta with star grounded. Star delta with star grounded. Okay, remember that equivalent reactance, equivalent zero sequence component diagrams. Okay, therefore, if the neutral of star side is grounded, okay, neutral of star side is grounded, the zero sequence currents can be flows in star because a path is available to ground and balancing the zero sequence currents. Okay, therefore, the current will be balanced at this current at this condition. Therefore, that current is flowing through that delta. Therefore, the zero sequence current can flow in the line on the delta side. Okay, the zero sequence network must have a path from the line A on the star side. Okay, this is the path from the line A on the star side through the zero sequence impedance of the transformer to the reference bus. Okay, there is a path from that A to the reference bus. Okay, when that star is grounded and the delta is connected, there is a path between the A to the reference bus. A to the on the star side through the zero sequence impedance of the transformer to the reference base. While on open circuited must exit on the line B side of the delta. Therefore, this B side of the delta is open circuited. Okay, therefore that B side of the delta is open circuited. Okay, why? Because that will be open circuited. In that A case also there is no grounded. Okay, therefore at A will be ungrounded. Okay, then this will be open circuited and B side will be grounded. Okay, therefore we are representing like this. Therefore we are representing like this. Okay. If the neutral is grounded through the Zn, the impedance 3Zn appears in series with the Z0. Okay, therefore 3Zn is equal to Z0 in sequence network. Okay, next coming to the fourth case. Okay, next coming to the fourth case, that is star delta transformer bank with ungrounded star. Okay, that is star delta. Okay, this is the star and this is the delta with ungrounded system. With ungrounded system. Therefore, this is a special case of case 3. where the neutral is grounded through the Zn is infinity. Okay, therefore no zero sequence currents can flow through the transformer. In the previous case, that A will be connected to that reference bus. Therefore, the zero sequence currents is flowing from the A to the reference bus. Okay, there is a path between the A to the reference bus. But in the special case, in this case, that is star delta transformer with ungrounded. With ungrounded means there is no path. With ungrounded means there is no path between the A to the reference. Therefore, the BV is open circuited, can flows in the transformer winding. Therefore, the zero sequence network then modified like this. Okay, this is the zero sequence network when the star delta transformer with ungrounded system. Okay, next coming to the fifth case. Next coming to the fifth case, that is delta delta transformer bank. Okay, next coming to the fifth case, that is delta delta bank. Transformer bank. Okay, since a delta circuit provides no return path, since the delta circuit provides no return path. Okay, therefore, the zero sequence current cannot flows in or out of delta delta transformer. Okay, in or out of delta delta transformer. Okay, however, it can circulate in delta winding. Okay, therefore, it can be circulated in the delta windings. Such circulating currents would exist only if the zero sequence voltages are somewhat induced in the either delta winding. Therefore, the primary winding is connected in the delta connection and secondary winding is connected in the delta connection. Therefore, both the windings are connected in delta delta. Okay, therefore, how will we draw that zero sequence current means this is the reactance, A is open and B is the open. That means there is no ungrounded. Okay, but there is a path between that zero sequence current to the reference bus. Okay, in this case. Okay, we remember that equivalent reactance, that equivalent zero sequence component sequence diagrams. Next, switch diagram for that zero sequence networks. Okay, next switch diagrams for that zero sequence networks. Okay, the type of windings and connection of neutral has got affected in the representation of a transformer in the zero sequence currents. Okay, therefore, the winding and connection of neutral has affected in the representation of that transformer zero sequence. Therefore, the zero sequence equivalent network of a three-phase transformer can be drawn conveniently by use of a switching diagrams. Okay, therefore, the zero sequence equivalent network of a three-phase transformer. Okay, this is the zero sequence equivalent network of a three-phase transformer by using that switching network. Okay, in this we have one series and one shunt switch of each side. Okay, in this we are having the one series and the one shunt switch. Okay, the general rule to determining the correct zero sequence network of the transformer. Okay, what is the general rule for zero sequence network of a transformer as follows. Okay, therefore, the series switches 1 and 2 of a particular side is closed. Okay, this is 1 and 2. Okay, therefore, suppose these two switches will be is in the closed position, is closed if it is a star connected with neutral grounded. Okay, if it is a star connected with neutral grounded, and the shunt switches, that is 1 dash 2 dash. Okay, therefore 1 dash and 2 dash are the shunt switches. Okay, 1 dash, 2 dash are the shunt switches is closed if both if that sides of the delta connected, otherwise there is a left open. Okay, this is the some of the assumptions that the switching zero sequence networks, okay, that will be equivalent in the case of a zero sequence network of a three-phase transformer, that is the delta delta connection. Okay, these are the various cases for drawing that zero sequence network, and this is the positive and negative sequence diagrams for that transformer. When we are giving the transformer, what is the positive sequence and what is the negative sequence and what is the zero sequence symmetrical components, so that all will be like this. Okay, there is any difference for calculation of that or drawing that positive and negative sequence, but only we are considering in the zero sequence method, we are taking that following cases. Okay, that is a positive sequence having the x1 and negative sequence having the x2. X1 means the positive sequence reactance and the x2 is the negative sequence reactance. But in the zero sequence network, we are considering as different cases, that is 5 cases. Okay, first one is star star with one is grounded. Second one is star star, both are grounded. Third case is the star delta connection with star star is grounded and star delta connection with ungrounded. Okay, star delta connection with ungrounded. Next, last case is the delta delta. If the windings are connected in the delta delta, what is the equivalent zero sequence network is like this. Okay, remember that. Okay, if the connections are connected in, the windings are connected in delta delta, okay, this is the equivalent zero sequence network. Okay, this is the equivalent zero sequence network. Okay, if the windings are connected in star delta with ungrounded, okay, there is no grounding for that both the windings. Okay, this is the star connection of the primary winding and this is the delta connection of the primary winding. Okay, then the equivalent zero sequence reactance diagram is the A and B. B is the open circuited and A having the reactance. Okay, therefore, if the transformer windings are connected in star delta with grounded star neutral, star delta with grounded star neutral. Okay, then the equivalent zero sequence reactance diagram like this. Okay, there is a path between the A to the reference bus. Okay, in this case, if the ground star connection will be grounded, then there is a path between the A to the reference bus. Okay, if the windings are connected in the star star, but both the windings are grounded. But both the windings are grounded. Then this will be considered as like this. Okay. If the windings are connected in star star with one grounded, then this will be considered as like this. Okay, these are the various equivalent zero sequence networks for that symmetrical components of a transformers. And this is the sequence switching diagram for that zero sequence components. This is the zero sequence networks of a three-phase transformers. Okay, remember that those formulas. Okay, this is the first case. This is the second case. And this is the third case. And this is the fourth case. And this is the fifth case. And then this is the sixth case. Okay, these are the 6 considerations for that zero sequence networks of a three-phase transformer. Okay, these are the 6 considerations for the zero sequence network of a transformer. Okay, what is the first consideration? When the primary winding is connected in the star connection and secondary winding is connected in the star connection. Okay, in this case, there is no grounding. Okay, that's why. Okay, this is the A. A means the primary winding and B is the secondary winding. If there is no ungrounded, that means ungrounded system. Okay, therefore it will be taken as open circuited. A will be open circuited and B will be open circuited. Okay, and then we are connecting, that is the zero sequence reactance, that is X naught. Okay, that is X naught, and this is the reference. There is no path between that sequence to that reference. Okay, next we are taking second consideration, that is the primary is connected in the star with grounded and secondary is connected in the star with grounded. Okay, grounding means short circuited. Therefore, A is short circuited and B is short circuited. Therefore, we are taking, that is the zero sequence reactance. Okay, we are considering that is the zero sequence reactance, that is X naught. Okay, next we are considering third criteria, that is the both the windings are connected in star, but that is grounded, the neutral is grounded by using the reactance. Okay, the neutral is grounded by using that reactance. This is the positive reactance and this is the negative reactance. Okay, therefore this will be considered, that is grounding means there is no open circuits. Okay, grounding means there is no open circuits. Okay, that's why we are taking, that is 3XA1 and this is also 3XA2 and zero sequence reactance. Okay, this is the reactance, that equivalent is 3x and 3x2. Okay, this equivalent is 3x2. And we are considering, that is X naught is the reactance. Okay, remember that cases. Okay, next we are considering, that is star delta with ungrounded. Okay, star means there is no grounding, then we are considering as open circuit. No ground means open. Okay, like that, A will be open and reactance, that is X naught, and secondary is connected in delta. Delta means like this. Okay, we are representing like this. We are representing like this, and there is no grounding. That's why we are considering, that is the open. Okay, that's why we are considering, that is the open. Okay, understand ma? Next case we are considering, that is delta delta. Okay, primary delta, secondary delta, but there is no grounding. Grounding means open. Okay, A will be open and B is open, but the reactance, that is in connected in delta. Okay, delta means there is a path between the zero sequence reactance to the reference. Okay, in the primary side we are connecting delta. Okay, that's why we are considering, that is the there is a path between the zero sequence reactance to the reference. Okay, in the secondary side we are having the path. Okay, therefore there is no grounding. Okay, that's why we are representing like this, that is open circuited, but it is in the delta. Okay, therefore there is a path between the zero sequence to the reference. Okay, therefore there is a path between the zero sequence to the reference. Okay, next we are considering, that is delta star with grounding. Okay, next we are considering, that is delta star with grounding. Okay, delta means there is no grounding in primary side. Okay, that's why we are considering, that is open circuited. If there is no grounding, then we are considering open circuited. If there is a ground, we are considering is short circuited. Okay, in the secondary we are having the star. This is like this. Okay, delta means there is a path, zero sequence path in between the zero sequence to the reference. Okay, but there is a ungrounded, that's why we are considering as open circuited. But star grounding, okay, that's why we are considering that is the short circuited. That is short circuited. Okay, once again I'm explaining that connectional diagram. Okay, we remember that connectional diagrams, then only we do the problems that will be related to the sequence diagrams. Okay, first case we are considering that is star star. Star star means there is no unground. There is no grounded. It is ungrounded system. Okay, then that's why we are considering open circuited. A open, B open. Okay, this is the zero sequence reactance. Next, coming to the second case, that is both the windings are in grounding. Ground means short circuited. Therefore, A short circuited, B short circuited. Therefore, zero sequence reactance. Okay, next coming to the third case, that is the star with reactance grounding. Okay, reactance means this is the equivalent reactance for that primary and this is the equivalent reactance for the secondary. And there is a zero sequence reactance. And fourth case is star with delta connection. Okay, star means ungrounded. Star, ungrounded means open circuited and reactance, and delta on secondary side, that is delta means like this. Okay, there is a path between negative zero sequence to the reference, and this is also ungrounded. Okay, therefore it is open circuited. Next case, fifth case is delta delta. Both are ungrounded. Okay, delta means like this. Okay, there is a path between the x0 to reference, and this is also delta. That's why there is a path between x0 to reference, but both are ungrounded. Then it is open circuited. Next sixth case is delta with star grounded. Okay, sixth case is delta with star grounded. Okay, delta means there is a ungrounded on the primary side. Okay, therefore it is open circuited. Ungrounded on the primary side means open circuited. Next, the star will be grounded. Okay, therefore the star will be grounded. Grounded means short circuited. Okay, delta means in the primary side, delta means we are considering like this. Okay, we are considering like this. Primary side is delta and open circuited means this is open. Next, star. Star with grounding. Grounding means we are considering that is the star means there is no path between the zero sequence to the reference. Only delta means there is a path between the zero sequence to the reference. Grounding means short circuited, ungrounding means open circuited. We remember that things. Okay, grounding is short circuited, ungrounding means open circuited, and star is there is no path between zero sequence to the reference. Okay, delta means there is a path between the zero sequence to the delta. Okay, like this. There is a path between zero sequence to that reference. Okay, this is the secondary side is the star with grounding. Grounding means short circuited. Okay, grounding means short circuited. Okay, this is the short circuit case. Okay, understand? Therefore, the star means there is no path between from zero sequence to the reference. Okay, remember that two connections. Okay, and then we easily do the problems that will be related to the positive, negative, and zero sequence networks for the transformers and also the synchronous missions. Okay, remember that form, that equivalent zero sequence reactance diagrams. Okay, we are having the various methods in the case of a transformers only. Why? Because means in the transformers we are having the two windings, that is primary and secondary winding. Each winding having the different connections. Okay, therefore each winding we are having the different connections. Okay, understand? Okay, from these notations or from these sequence diagrams, okay, we easily find the transformer with equivalent the symmetrical components are the zero, positive, and negative sequence components. Okay, in the next class, we are discuss about the problems that will be related to the symmetrical components of generators and the transformers. Okay, generators and the transformers. Remember that equivalent reactance diagrams. Okay, we are considering only 4 criteria, that is star. Star means open circuited. Delta is there is a path between the zero sequence reactance to the reference. Okay, and ungrounding means the open circuited and grounding means short circuited. Okay, remember that 4 considerations, and then we easily draw that diagram for the transformers for zero sequence, positive sequence and negative sequences for transformers and the synchronous missions. Okay, understand? In the next class, we solve the problems that will be related to the symmetrical components of the transformers or the synchronous missions. Okay, thank you. We continue in the next class.